Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Fella. So everybody has some questions on how to do number 3. So this is a case where you're given the apothem, but not a side length. So we're gonna figure out how do you find a side length. So just like yesterday, we're going to start with this. Everyone remembers this. We need to find our angle. So I've got 5 sides. So we're gonna do 540 divided by 5 is 108. Now, that 108, don't forget, once you draw in a hypotenuse, that 108 does split. So 108 divided by 2 is 54 each. So this little angle here, can you see that, is 54 degrees. So what we're actually looking for is half of a side first, because half of a side is connected to the right triangle right there. So I'm going to find that side. We'll call it X. Oops. And once I do find it, I am going to have to double it. Do you see that? Because this is really half of a side. Everything's regular, so everything's split in half evenly. So we're going to just double it once we have it. Okay, to find the X, once again, don't forget SOHCAHTOA. It never goes away. So what I'm seeing on this example is opposite and adjacent again. This time the adjacent's at the bottom. So let's set that up. So I'm going to do the math. The tangent of 54 is going to equal the opposite over the adjacent. So tan 54, let's find it. 1.376-ish. That equals 8 over x. Okay, then we're going to cross multiply. And I get 8 equals 1.376x, right? And then I just need to get the x alone, so I'm going to divide by the 1.376. Let's do that. All right, let's see what we get. So 8 divided by 1.376-ish. It's about 5.8. So if my x over here is 5.8, I just need to double that so I can get the full side. Okay, so 5.8, and then this part's 5.8. So let's see, 5.8 times 2, 11.6. Okay, so all these sides are 11.6. So I'm going to put that as my perimeter. So we're going to go to the actual math. We're going to say now we're doing half. The apothem was given as 8. The perimeter is going to be 11.6 times what? 5 sides, right? 5 sides. So let's do that. 11.6 times 5, 58. Did I do that right? Yes, okay. And then you're good to go with your math. So then I can just do the normal times 8, divide by 2, get about 232. Okay, so you're going to find the angle. You're going to find the half of the side. Just double it so that you get the full side. Okay, take care.